So, I wanted to build an e-bike. So I bought this cheap kit from Amazon. And let's see, this is what comes with it. Everything that shows in the picture. This is going to be a review and description of how I built my e-bike with this kit. I'm not going to show you step by step because I already built it. But I'll show you the finished product, that it works, and what I had to do to get it there. So, yeah, you get the sprocket, the motor, the nuts, bolts, keys, throttle, and extra hand grip, and the bracket for your engine. And these little rubber grommets to put the thing in the spokes. So that's, in theory, how it's supposed to look. And the throttle is pretty cool, actually. It's got a voltmeter built right into it, so digital voltmeter, so you can always know how many volts your batteries have. So you know when you're going to be stranded. This is a 350 watt, 24 volt brushed motor. And see, that's the voltmeter. It's just a voltmeter. But it's cool, it's good to have. It's right there for you to see. Like I said, so you know when you're going to run out of gas. Here's some other shit I had to buy separate to make it work. These batteries I got from China. It took about a month to arrive. And cost $150 for 60 of them. 60. Another sword dick deal from Temu. Charger in my battery pack. Just can't beat it for about $8. Keep in mind there's some other shit you're gonna need to buy if you're building your own. You're gonna need spot welder, voltmeter, and some nickel, flat nickel wire to weld your batteries together. Stuff you gotta have. And some electrical tape. Don't forget your fucking tape. Oh yeah, you need a 12 volt battery for your spot welder. This came out of my car charger, booster pack. Now this is my bike that I put the motor on. 350 watt, 24 volt. And the bracket that it's connected to, they say it's a bolt-on. It's supposed to be a bolt-on, but it is not. I had to take and smash this flat. It's usually got a bend to it to get it to line up with my tire so the chain wouldn't come off. And then the sprocket, holy hell, that took about 300 Dremel cutting wheels to cut the center out enough to get it over my rear disc brake hub, because the center of the gas sprocket was too small to fit over it. So I did that, put that together. After about 3 tries, got the thing straight so it don't move and the chain don't fall off. And this little doohickey here is where I had to move my caliper up a little, so I had to make that little bracket to raise it up so it didn't rub on the chain. And it still grabs the disc enough to stop you, so yay! Just to speed things along, this is a battery controller. Got connections for brake lights, blinkers. It's my battery packs. They are 8 in series, 3 in parallel, 2 sets in parallel. Throttle, key. Holy shit. Gonna be smarter than the fucking kickstand. Another patch of rubber on Honey's floor. She'll love that. So keep in mind, there is some fabrication you'll have to do to most any bike you put this kit on. From reading other reviews, other people have the same problems, or just say fuck it, because it's too much of a hassle. So I guess if I can do it, any above average moron could probably do the same. And the hardest thing about the whole project was that rear sprocket. So keep that in mind. You may have to do some swearing and yelling and fabrication of sorts. But, oh yeah, don't forget to check out Don't Be a Hussy on TikTok.